Hi, good morning. I'm Ed Mango. I'm the NASA Program Manager for the Commercial Crew Program down at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. I'd like to welcome you all to this year's conference. I wish I could be there in person. There's a number of NASA restrictions that are on our travel capabilities today, so I'm not able to be there in person. But through technology and innovation, I can be there by video. So again, good morning and welcome to the conference. I am the Program Manager for the Commercial Crew Program within NASA. It's really a partnership between industry and NASA as we design, develop, test, and actually go operate a number of systems that can bring crew, people, to low Earth orbit, both for NASA's purposes as well as any other purpose to get to low Earth orbit. That is the overall idea of the Commercial Crew Program. Our program goal is to safely, reliably, and cost-effectively create a capability for human access to low Earth orbit and the International Space Station. If you think about what our overall goal is, there's a couple words in there. The very first word of that goal is fly safe. It's safe. We need to be safe as we start this process and as we go through this overall activity we need to do in order to have commercial crew for the nation and for the planet. Everyone wants to fly safe. One of the goals of NASA is to instill our capability to take our safety culture and put that with the partners and together collaborate on how we're going to go do that in the future. The whole idea, though, is to fly. And so I usually use two words. The idea of those words is it's simple. It's fly safe. The idea is we still have to fly. That's the mission. We have to be able to get our crew to the International Space Station. We have to be able to fly into orbit. And there's an awful lot of risk with flying. The second part of that is we have to be safe. Safe is not you are so safe that you never want to fly. That would be the ultimate safety stat. The idea is we need to fly safe. So we need to understand what kind of risk we have in order to go fly. And that's really what the safety culture is all about. It's really what the safety idea is all about. It's not saying we will be perfect. It's saying we need to understand the risks we have, understand residual risk after we do all our design work, after we do all our operations work. We understand what those risks are. We understand that residual risk. We come to accept that residual risk, and we operate within the parameters of that residual risk. That, to me, is what it means to be flying safe. And of course, again, the whole idea is we need to fly. So we need to fly safe. Today, I would ask all of you as you go through your conference over the next couple days to constantly think in the back of your mind, how is the designs you all are working on, or the designs that you're a part of, or the operations that you're a part of, how are they related to flying safe? What are the aspects, what are the techniques, what are the methods by which they help develop a capability that is to go fly safe? So to me, safety is not an option because we have people on board. We have human beings on board. Doesn't matter what nationalities they're from, doesn't matter what countries they're from, because they're people who want to explore. That is the nature of the human spirit, is to go and explore. The second part of flying safe is that we need to get those people who we put into space back home so they can see their families and they can see their kids. That's the whole idea of flying safe. Hope you all enjoy the conference and all the discussions that you all will be doing. You can follow us on the Commercial Crew Program by going to our Facebook page, following us on Twitter, as well as our website. Thanks and have a great conference.